Updating your payment information on Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines of the profile icon in the upper left corner of the app to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payment Methods. This section will show you your current payment options. Step 4. Update payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update, such as a bank account or debit card. Follow the prompts to enter your new information, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Done button and tap it to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your payment information has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Venmo payment information current. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Venmo's help section for further assistance.